Good evening to everyone in round 2. I hope you're all doing great. I'm here with you for the daily analysis of the XRP or Ripple token on February 23rd. Last week, Ripple closed with a bearish candle, and we saw more than a 5.5% drop in this asset.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
On the daily time frame, Ripple is in a descending channel and has reacted several times to the support and resistance lines of this channel. The sharp drop we saw at the beginning of February broke out of this channel, but then, with a swing failure pattern, it returned back inside the channel. Therefore, in the long term, the prevailing bias remains bearish, and today, as the first trading day of the week, we saw a drop followed by a return of the price to the daily open level. We are observing the capital inflow and outflow of the XRP Spot ETF fund. As you can see, last week there was a capital inflow. We are now analyzing the 4-hour time frame. The sharp decline that occurred down to the price of 1.1192 caused the price to enter its support zone. And as we had seen previously on the chart, the price encounters strong support in this area. From this area, we saw a rebound upwards, and subsequently, the price reacted to its 4-hour and 1-hour FVG at the price of 1.3442 and once again started a bullish move. The formation of a higher high compared to the previous high counts as a market structure shift for us, but the bias and sentiment are still bearish. After the price filled its 4-hour FVG area, it showed another drop and filled the remaining 4-hour FVG down to the price of 1.3315. We saw a price rebound from this area, but we still don't see any sign of the end of this downward move. We are currently analyzing Ripple's liquidity map. With its sharp downward move, the price collected a good amount of liquidity, and now, as the nearest sell-side liquidity, we have the price at 1.3271. Most of the buy-side liquidity is located at the price of 1.5158, and at the moment, considering the market sentiment, we do not expect this liquidity to be taken. As the nearest buy-side liquidity, we can consider the area above the previous high. By examining these areas on the chart, there is sell-side liquidity below the previous low in a 1-hour FVG zone, and as for the buy-side liquidity, as we mentioned, it is located above the previous high. In this area, we can see that there are two 1-hour FVGs. Now, as a trade stop, we can consider that after the price collects liquidity above the previous high in the FVG area, it may reach the price of 1.4046, or even, if there is a deeper penetration into the FVG at 1.4154, we might see liquidity being collected there. Then, Ripple's price could show its reluctance to move higher through weak candles and pin bars. In this case, we can enter a sell trade and target internal liquidity levels such as the 1-hour FVG at the price of 1.3551 and the previous low. Wishing you success and profitable trades.